let's just make sure that it's installed. And usually it will appear on the dock, but if it doesn't, you can do a spotlight search and it already detected it. Now you can also go to your launch pad, which is that rocket icon on your dock, and see if it's there. It's this icon right here, and you can drag it to your dock. And it puts a shortcut on your dock. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to it. Now you also want to make sure that you are connected to your wireless network at home or wherever you're connecting from. And then if you haven't connected before, you want to type remote.goucher.edu in the field, click on connect. Okay, there's only one group option, which is Goucher Network, and then type in your Goucher username and password. And then click OK. Now during this step, if there's an update, which there is one, it will download and install it. If there isn't, it will just connect. So let's go ahead and wait for it to download. And now it's installing. Okay, so once it's installed, it connected automatically and lets you know when it's connected. You can also see that it puts a lock on the icon to let you know that it's connected, and also up top you have it there with a lock, and you can disconnect from here and then also quit Cisco AnyConnect when you're finished. Now, why would you need to connect to the VPN? That is if you need to access any software or a site that requires you to be on the Goucher network, then this is what you would need to do first. So if you're using applications like for a Mac, it would be the Horizon My app, so you can access software like SPSS, Power Campus, Razor's Edge, and so forth. Also, if you need to access files on our file server like Magellan, you will need to be connected to that as well. So once you're connected to the VPN, you can go ahead and access those other sites or applications, and then when you're done, you can then disconnect.